How to solve intelligent house app not working. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up the settings application. Now go to apps, click on app management. Now search for intelligent house. Now tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. If this doesn't solve your issue, go back to your home screen, open up Play Store and reinstall the application. I hope this should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.